How to recover Zalando account. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in zalando.com. Press enter. You'll be led to the official website of Zalando. You can see various countries over here. Click on the country of your choice. Once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Zalando of that particular country. In order to recover your account, click on the account icon that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of Zalando. Simply enter your email address over here. Enter the email address associated with your account. Click on the option Continue. Once you do that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Since you want to recover your account, click on the option Forgotten your password. You can see over here you'll be able to reset your password. Make sure the email address is correct. Otherwise, click on the Edit option and enter the correct email address. Click on the option Get Reset link that you can see on the screen. Now the instruction will be sent to the email. What you have to do is simply go to New tab. Once you do that, simply click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. Now the Gmail will be opened. Click on the link sent by Zalando. Now in this email, you'll be able to find this link. Click on the option Change my password. Once you do that, you'll be able to reset the password for yourself. Click on the field of New Password and enter the new password over here. Now confirm the password. Click on the option Save New Password. Once you do that, your password will be reset and your account will be recovered. Like this, you can recover a Zalando account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.